Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Canva AI. First, you will navigate to the website section within Canva. Then, you can begin by selecting a suitable template from their extensive library. This powerful tool allows even beginners to create stunning online presences quickly and efficiently. We will cover everything from initial setup to final publication, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the entire process. Once you are in the website builder, the next crucial step is selecting the perfect template. Canva provides thousands of professionally designed options, catering to nearly every industry and aesthetic. Take your time to browse through the categories, filtering by style or color to find one that truly resonates with your vision. Previewing templates helps you visualize your content within the layout before committing. Now for the fun part, personalizing your website. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes customization straightforward. You can effortlessly change text, fonts, and color palettes to match your brand identity. Upload your unique images and videos, and even incorporate interactive elements such as contact forms or call-to-action buttons. Remember to check the responsiveness across different devices for an optimal user experience. Finally, it is time to publish your masterpiece. Canva offers the convenience of publishing your website with a free Canva domain, or you can easily connect your own custom domain name for a more professional touch. Once live, share your new website link across all your social media platforms and email signatures. You can also track basic website analytics directly within Canva to monitor its performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.